Hello my friends. Hello, this is Janet. Live video. It's time for a live video. Thank you so much for coming. And as you can see from the title today, we are going to prepare for the DV Lottery 2020, okay? Because they just finished the 2019, so we are looking for the next one. The reason I'm here today is because people ask me every day, they want the link for the DV Lottery, green card, permanent residence, all that. You keep on asking me, and I said, you know what, let me not keep you waiting. Let me just do this video. Although they didn't announce it yet, let's get ready. Let's start preparing. That's why I'm here today, guys, is to prepare for the DV Lottery coming up, okay? Thank you so much for coming. I see all of you, okay? Thank you so much again for following. If you're one of those people who has not followed my page, consider following because you're missing out. So thank you so much for coming. So many of you probably know about the US lottery. When it comes to money, the chances of winning that lottery are like 1 in millions and millions and millions. But people never give up. They still pay money to buy that lottery, okay? The lottery, the chances of winning are not that much, but still people pay. And it's 1 in millions and millions. I don't have the exact number, okay? So why am I sharing this information? It's just like, okay, what are the chances of being struck by lightning? Well, there's a chance you'll be struck by lightning, okay? So the reason I'm saying this, if you don't apply, you have no chance. Let's put it that way. And the chances of winning are higher than winning a lottery. You know, the one that people pay money. The US lottery is free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. You just need to go to the website. When I'm done, especially for the new people, I will go up here and I'll put the link. So if you come, look, the link will be up here. I will post the lottery link for the DV lottery. It has not been announced yet, okay? From experience, they usually announce around October, November. Now in the US, it's summertime, guys. We are just approaching the fall. So fall means time for lottery, okay? This is now August, this is summer. So we will be approaching the lottery very soon. So based on what I've received in the inbox, based on what I've been receiving in the emails, okay, I decided to make this video based on real information, based on real concerns, and based on real questions. So I said the best thing is for us to prepare early so we don't have to be asking the same questions next year. It's worth to apply this lottery because it's free of charge, okay? So the first thing when they announce, I'll go ahead and post the link so you don't go on the wrong website. So I think that's point number 1. Do not go on the wrong websites. The lottery is completely free. Do not pay people money to do for you a lottery. And if they do, maybe you just don't have internet or you don't trust yourself, so you will have to pay money. But please understand that this is free, okay? So we need to consider that. If you happen to forget Janet and you don't come on this website, Google the State Department and the keyword will be diversity visa lottery, okay? It will take you on the State Department page. And then that's where you will go and go under entry, and then you start putting in your application. My advice is this: once you reach on that page, invest your first day in reading directions. Guys, don't just jump into it without reading directions. I know the chances are higher than a money lottery, yes, but some people, they lose because they didn't follow directions. So follow directions when you're applying the green card. And how do you follow directions? By reading, by taking your time. Because the DV lottery is usually there, I think, more than 30 days. So do not wait until the last minute to apply because the websites can crash. That's point number 2. So you want to be among the first people to apply. And spend your time to read, okay? And understand what you need to do. Number 3, okay? When they tell you do not apply twice, do not apply twice. Apply only once, okay? Otherwise they will disqualify you. Apply only once. Now, number 4, for the spouses. Some people of you, you know you are married probably, okay? If you are married, it's okay. You can go apply for yourself, apply for your husband and children. Your husband can apply for himself and you as the wife and the children, okay? But at least you're applying separately. You are not applying twice. Okay, that is based on real questions that people are asking me. Okay, we are married. How do we go about it? If you are married, apply for the other person and children, and then the other person will also apply for you and children. I hope that is clear. Number 4, be truthful, be honest. Put in the correct names for your husband, put in the correct names for your wife, put in the correct date of birth, put in the correct number of children, their dates of birth and everything. Honestly, okay? Do not put in your boyfriend if you are married, put in your true husband, okay? Because if you win, then you will lose. You will have to produce a marriage certificate, okay? Do not put in kids that are not yours. You will have to produce a birth certificate. So be truthful from day one. For those who are single, it doesn't matter. Just put yourself, okay? Now, if you put in a boyfriend and you are not married, that is a lie, you will lose out. Number 4 or number 5, okay? Let's say you win. If you win and you are single and you get married, it's okay because they understand people have to get married. It's a human right, right? Okay? Even if they, the thing is you can't lie that you are single and then later on you go and apply like you are married. Now that is cheating, okay? Just remember, if you are honest, you are honest, okay? That is a very, very important point, okay? Number 6, if you tell someone to apply for you like an agent, you are responsible for what that person puts in your application. You cannot go to the embassy telling them, I didn't know. I had kids, but someone forgot to put them in. You are out, my friends, okay? So if someone is feeling for you, before they click the button saying send, go through everything yourself. Go through everything yourself. Make sure they have your correct name, Pay attention. What is the last name, guys? Who is that? Ruth, Agnes, thank you so much for coming. Pay attention to the names, okay? Pay attention to the names. Pay attention to the correct date of birth. Pay attention to the children. Be honest. If someone is applying for you, there is no excuse. You are responsible for all the information that will end up in that green card application, okay? All right. Now, what else did I say? Follow directions. Look out for usually October, November, keyword. Okay. All right. Make sure you recommend, send the email. Okay. After you finish applying, okay, remember to write down your confirmation number, okay? For me, personally, I would recommend that you send it to your email, okay? Send it to your email so the next year you don't have to go struggling to find this number, okay? And then you'll start telling Janet, I lost my confirmation number. What am I gonna do? I lost my confirmation number, Janet. What do I do? Okay, good evening, all of you. I see you. So record your confirmation number, send it to your email, take a picture, give it to your mother, give it to your friend, have enough copies and forget, okay? All right. Number 7 is to remember that this thing will come somewhere in October, November. We don't know. We just have to wait. When it comes, it will last until the next year around May, okay? Now that will be the time you want to start looking out, coming back with your confirmation number to see if you won, okay? But the most important thing, guys, why I'm doing this video today, you might think it's common knowledge, but this is based on reality. These are the things that I hear every day. People have won the green card and lost it because they were not clear from the beginning. Be truthful. Make sure the form you fill in, everything is true. Because when you win and maybe you lied, it's going to be hard for you to keep up with the lies. Do you know keeping up with lies? It's very hard, guys, okay? Apply early. That's like number 8. Do not wait until the last minute. And now the cyber cafe, the internet is slow. The internet, things are crashing all over the world, okay? Do not wait until the last minute. Be among the first people to apply for that green card, okay? Be the first among the first so you're done with. All right. So, let me see. If the results come out, and as I told you, this is a chance, and you don't win, this is life. Wait for the next year, apply again. Okay? If you don't win, think of other ways. Okay? You're gonna come, like Janet tells you, as a student. Okay? You're gonna come through other means. So, I hope I've helped you on how to apply for the green card. I didn't want to make this video too long, because next video I'll come and talk to you, because some of you are not in America. Okay, you need to know what are the benefits of this green card, and I will list for you the most important reasons why you should consider applying for this green card. I will tell you all the benefits so you can understand. There are some people here, even right now in America, they are students. They don't know they can apply. So there's no stupid question, guys. There are so many people here who don't know they can apply. Another question I get a lot: Janet, I'm in Dubai. Janet, I'm in Jordan. Janet, I'm here. Can I apply for a green card? Janet, I'm in Uganda, but I'm Nigerian. Janet, I'm this. Let me tell you, the green card, all you need is internet. If you have internet, you can apply the green card from anywhere in the world. Let's say you are from India and you live in Kenya, okay? You just go ahead and tell them the truth, okay? No, but if you are from India, probably you don't qualify, so that's not a good example, okay? If you are a Kenyan or a Ugandan and you're in Dubai, you just go and apply and say, I'm Kenyan. Put in your wife, put in your kids. Like, this is our website. This is different from what people ask me: Janet, I'm Ugandan and now I'm in Dubai. Should I go back to Kenya? Should I go back to Uganda to apply again? I'm like, you know what? First thing, just call the embassy. Simple. Take the embassy, say, hello, I'm from Uganda, but I'm right here in Dubai. Do I have to go back to Uganda to make an application? Simple. From my experience, these visas, they like to establish family ties. So if you're someone from Uganda and you're in Dubai, it's very difficult for them to determine family ties. From my reading, that's what I observed, okay? So, all right, people, there are many people here coming, and I need to invite some of these people that want the green card, okay? If you're one of the people who want the green card, you went to the embassy, and you're now here, you need to come and tell our people who are on the line waiting to go for the green card, or they will win next year, okay? So they can know what to prepare. I like real life stories, guys. We need to find people that have gone through the process so you can see them with your own eyes and listen to them so they tell you what they did, okay? I'm going to be lining up people, coming videos. I'm going to be lining up people. It won't just be me talking, okay? So looking ahead, I'm going to talk about the benefits of having a green card. I will come here and share with you directly information from a foreign pharmacist, what they did to become a pharmacist in America, what they did to become a medical doctor, what they did to become a dentist, and they had credentials from home, okay? Maybe they did logistics from home. Some of you tell me you're teachers from home. Some of you tell me you did this at home. So you need people that just had the same profession like you to come and sit here and explain how they went about it. Personally, I've spoken already. You know me, I came as a nurse and I explained, I've made videos on how people can become nurses in America. If you missed my last video, if you know a physical therapist, tell them they can apply and come to America just like a nurse would, okay? So before I finish, let me go through again these things, okay? This is summer in America. Fall is approaching. The green card is usually announced in the fall, around October, November, okay? So when they announce the green card, Janet will come here. She will post the correct link. If you don't happen to see Janet, or you don't see it on this link, or you don't come here, Google diversity visa lottery. You make sure it's on the US State Department. That is where they usually post. You go under entry. Make sure you read all the directions clearly, page to page. Understand what they are asking. Understand if they tell you your picture needs to be this size, you need to have your eyeglasses looking like this, you need to avoid the eyeshadows, okay? It needs to be these pixels, it needs to be this size. Follow directions to the letter, okay? Write your correct names, include your spouses, include your children, be honest, okay? Put in the correct information from day one. Because when you win, they will give you something called, I think, DS 160. Some people know what it means. And when you take that and you go and put any information that will contradict from what you put the first time out, at that point you wish you didn't even win because you came this close. You know what I mean? So be honest from day one. Write the correct information. Even if you're in love with your boyfriend and you don't love your husband, put in your husband. I'd rather go get it and leave him home. Okay? I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying. Because If you put in your girlfriend or you put in your boyfriend behind your spouse's back, and then time comes for the embassy, you don't have a birth certificate, you don't have, a marriage certificate. Divorce is that hard. Like, even if you divorce, the record already says that when you applied, you were married. Okay? So just be truthful. Just be, okay, someone, Clifford said DS260. Thank you, Clifford, for sharing. Okay? What are the chances that they will deny you this green card once you win? Honestly, in my opinion, unless you do some of these stupid things I'm saying, you will get a green card. They usually ask for a medical exam. They ask other things, of course, to make sure everything is okay. Okay? They look at such things. Alright? Some people have been honest with me and asking me, Janet, what kind of diseases do they look at? What if I have HIV? What if I have all this? I don't know. From the last time I know, they don't discriminate people that have HIV. You know what I mean? I don't know that information, okay? I don't know that information, I'll be honest with you. All I'm saying is, unless you fail the medical test or you fail a background check, you are criminal or you've done bad things, and you say the truth from day one, they will give you the visa. Because what they are doing, when you win the green card, just let me tell you how it works here in America. For them to come up with that green card, it was an act of Congress. If you come to America and someone tells you, oh my, that's an act of Congress, what they mean, it's very difficult. It takes a process. It takes all these senators and Congress people to go into their debates, come up with a bill, eventually signed by the president, before it becomes an act of Congress. Such things. It's that big. So, when people are there at the embassy out of United States, they're simply implementing the American law. And if you win, they respect that you won. But what they are doing, they are just chopping the people that are lying. They want to confirm, is this your real wife or you just married because you want the green card? Is this your real kid? Okay? Did you pay the fees? Did you information match? Do you have a passport that is valid? It's a protocol. They are not there to deny you. They are there to make sure that the correct person that won the visa and that person was truthful will come to America. In my opinion, that's what they are doing, based on having lived here for a long time. Okay? So just be truthful, guys. Just be truthful from day one. I'm doing this video because it breaks my heart. I've gotten so many comments and questions, and I know people that would have come to America, and it's not that they didn't know. Some of them just made simple mistakes. They just innocently made simple mistakes. And that is the reason I said I'll come here and make this video. Okay? And remember, especially for my Nigerian friends, okay? You know, the lottery is not there for you, at least from last year. Let's pray that the rest of you, Ethiopian, Uganda, Kenya, everyone, I hope when they announce, you'll be part of the lottery. Because what they do, it's called diversity. Diversity means they want to diversify to every country so that everyone is represented. So for those countries that have sent enough people in America, they slash them off. So countries like Mexico, they have enough Mexicans in America. They can't go to the lottery. They cannot participate. Okay? Countries like India, countries like China, in Africa, countries like Nigeria, they cannot participate because they have enough people in America. So that's why, if you didn't know, it's called diversity visa lottery. That's the reason. They diversify. They look at how many people have come in so far. Okay? So that's another thing. When they announce the lottery, you want to make sure you read directions to make sure that your country qualifies. So if Nigeria was cancelled and you go putting in, you're just wasting your time. Okay? So you have to make sure that your country is allowed to apply for this green card. Okay? And so next year, when the DV 2020 is announced this year, I want everyone to do the correct thing, because they follow Janet, they follow directions. When you follow Janet, you're among the smart people. I'm not showing off, I'm just telling you, you'll be smart. Okay? Because we want to do the right things. Okay? We are not here just to come and make noise and enjoy and do what? We are here to do the right things from day one. When the lottery shows up, guys, you'll be part of the winners. When you are part of the winners, it's because you did the right thing from the beginning. Okay? Now, if you have any questions, some of you, I've heard your complaints. I've heard you saying she doesn't answer her emails. And that is true to some extent, because I'm busy. And I told you that's not an excuse. Okay? I've come to almost halfway. By Friday, my friends, Friday, Saturday this week, I'm cleaning those emails. And I will go to the inbox, I will go to Messenger, I will respond to each and every comment. Right now, I'm focusing on you. Every comment that comes in, whether on Messenger, whether in inbox, those who send emails, I'm going to respond. I don't even want to give my email anymore because I don't want to fall short. Because when I give you your email, you're going to keep on asking the same questions, and then if I don't answer, I'll feel bad, okay? But once I finish the ones that are there, I'm going to start, telling you my email so you can post. But as usual, those that leave comments here, you're most likely to hear from me. Because it's on the phone, I'm just going to go quickly. I get to you. Sometimes I try to go to Messenger, but phone calls keep on coming in, phone calls. I'm like, oh my, so I just put the phone down, okay? But I love you so much for following. Today we covered the green card. Those that have been asking, the link will be up here when I'm done. Don't go applying because you will see entry. And then you will see the word 2019. You're like, oh, make sure you read. 2019 application was in 2017, okay? So please read directions. So when I post this link, don't go saying Janet said the lottery is open. No one has said the lottery is open. But because most of you keep on saying, Janet, where's the link? Where's the link? I'm going to do that because I'm here to serve you. I always respond to what people ask me. I always do what you ask me to do. That's what I will do. So just go to that link, have it in your notes. Okay, if you want to copy and paste somewhere so when time comes, at least Janet has answered this question. If you are new to this page, welcome. Be patient. Read before you ask. That will save all of us time. There are sometimes I make a video, I go so clearly from beginning to end. Honestly, and someone will ask me the same thing I've just said in the video. No offense, I'm just saying. I love everybody. But I'm just saying be fair to me. If I'm doing this video and I'm listing down 1, 2, 3. Like now I've told you to apply, this is the link. Google these words, okay? Apply correctly. If you're a spouse, you can apply for your wife and children. Your wife can apply for husband and children. Okay? Put everything correct. Another thing, how long does it take for you to come? My nephew won in May. The results come up in May. He was here in November. Okay? So I can tell you around 6 months, 5-6 months to a year. Okay? So that is possible. As soon as you win in May, you start processing. They send you that form. Okay, you can come in 6 months. All right, and some people say, so what next? No, when you check, they will just follow the email you gave them. You'll be receiving correspondence from them. Just respond to the email, follow directions, do everything the way they say. Okay, and then next time I'll cover the benefits of green card, and then again I'll cover how to make decisions. I know some people have tried to call me. Some of them are in Canada and they won. Some of them I think is France or somewhere. Those are very difficult decisions. No, Australia. And they won a US green card. I'm like, oh man, someone else would have won that one. So now they are stuck. Do I leave Australia and go to America? What do I do? So I'll help you. That's why I'm here to help you with these decisions, guys. If you have any comments, you're one of those people who want the green card, you think I forgot something, please share with everyone else. Remember, guys, to always go down here, read the comments, because some people contribute to the discussion. It's not just me. Okay? These are Emily, Brian, David, thank you so much, okay? So anyway, as usual, remember to keep the dream alive and have a strong desire to succeed, okay? It's the desire that will push you over the edge. It's the desire that will set you apart from the crowd. Consistency, you have to desire every day. Okay, when I started making these videos, sometimes I'd feel tired, but people kept on calling me back. I'm like, you know what, I need to be consistent. However hard it is, you keep on going. You fall, you stand, you fall, you stand. Those people that invest their time, and their effort, when Janet says this, they go do it one step at a time. Patience, doing the right thing every day, doing something every day. Every day you're doing something. Okay, when you go home, what have you done today? Maybe you read on how to win the diversity visa lottery. Okay, next time you read on how to go to America as a student. Next time maybe you read on how to go to America as on a student visa. visiting visa. And all this information you can always go to. Apart from my videos, I'm on YouTube, Janet Rangi. I just started that. When you reach there, remember to subscribe. Okay, for those that enjoy reading, immigrantbusinessdirectory.com, I blog. You go on the blog, you will get all these things I talk about. Okay, for the email is janet@immigrantbusinessdirectory.com. I don't know if you go there and you email me if I reach to you soon, but my goal is to answer every email, to answer every comment. Okay, that's why I'm here for you guys. For those who've gone there, thank you for your good reviews. You've given me 5 stars. Okay, I appreciate that. I appreciate that very much. Okay, so thank you so much for coming. I hope you have a wonderful day. Until the next video, remember to keep the dream alive and have a strong desire to succeed. Love you all. Bye bye. Good night.